the Ayush Council is proud to present the Guardian of Health Awards to our healthcare heroes who inspire all the team members to give their best and serve the society. So we'll start with the first award, and the first award goes to Dr. Hema Divakar, the founder and medical director, Divakar Specialty Hospitals, Bengaluru. So a big round of applause for our first winner, Dr. Hema Divakar.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, thank you very much. And I must say, as how, you know, in the whole scheme of things, this is Kamal ka Kamal. Thank you very much.
Kamal ka Kamal.
Congratulations to you, ma'am. We are very happy that you are with us, and we are very grateful to you for all the work that you've done and the lovely quizzes that you did during the week to increase the awareness amongst all people about healthcare issues. Congratulations to you. Our next award winner is Professor Devashish Danda, the founder, Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, CMC Vellore, and President-elect Asia Pacific League of Association of Rheumatology. Dr. Danda is a well-known name in the field of immunology and rheumatology. He's the founder of the Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology Department at CMC Vellore and the President-elect of the Asia Pacific League of Associations of Rheumatology, or Rheumatology. If Dr. Danda is there, I would request him to say a few words.
Honorable Minister, Mr. Kamal Narayan and your team of Indian Health Wellbeing Council, I'm deeply touched and humbled by this award for recognizing the life behind us and the life ahead of us, which is dedicated for people. Right from childhood, I think human beings never do not appreciate any encouragement. The encouragement is always good, and I'm very happy that at this stage of life you have recognized my work. And thank you very much for this. I would also like to say that the doctor's role in society is to connect to patients as a full human being, not just as a disease or a body part. And in this respect, the connection between the different components of society and doctors, which was getting broken down, I think you are making great effort to join that. So thank you very much, and I'm very honored that the Honorable Minister is here, and in presence of him, I got this award. And thank you and congratulations to all the other awardees as well as the participants here. Thank you, Mr. Kamal, and thank you, the viewers. I'm very humbled and honored. Thankful to you.
Congratulations, Dr. Danda. It was wonderful listening to you during the Gratitude Week, and we wish you all the very best. Our next winner is Dr. Shuchin Bajaj, founder and director, Ujala Signals Hospitals. He runs a chain of healthcare facilities across North India, combining his medical skills with that of an administrator. Dr. Bajaj was among the Entrepreneur Economic Times and was chosen as the Healthcare Leader of the Year in 2017. He's on the board of a number of prominent NGOs as advisor to the health programs. Congratulations, Dr. Bajaj.
Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, कमल जी, अनीशा जी और आपकी पूरी टीम. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मंत्री जी. आप सबकी प्रोत्साहन से और आप सबके ही जोश से मुझे जोश मिलता है, और आई एम श्योर कि हम जल्दी ही कोरोना को हरा देंगे. इतनी अच्छी टीम और इतने सब लोग इस बैटल में हमारे साथ हैं, तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है कि हम जल्द ही जीतेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Congratulations, Dr. Bajaj. Our next winner is Dr. P.P. Mohanan, President-elect Cardiology Society of India and the Director and HOD Cardiology of Westport High Tech Hospital. Dr. Mohanan has been actively involved in medical associations and societies throughout his career and participated in several clinical trials and research studies. He has many articles and papers to his name in peer-reviewed journals over the years. In 2008, he received the Distinguished Service Award from the then President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Congratulations, Dr. Mohan. We are very happy and grateful that you're with us today.
Thank you. Thank you very much. As I was saying earlier, traditionally we doctors don't have to risk our lives to save patients' life. But the Corona has brought that stage, and I take this award on behalf of all those healthcare warriors who lost their life and they're still fighting. And you have, in the bargain, ISW has also tried your best to improve the public trust in the doctors, which is possibly a need of the hour. And thank you very much for all your effort. Thank you, Kamal and others.
Thank you, Dr. Mohanan. We really do appreciate your kind words, and this is actually our effort to ensure that this gratitude rings in our hearts forever for doctors for the exemplary work being done by them. And the award is also in recognition for the extraordinary leadership and dedication. Our next winner is Dr. Rishikesh Pai, Medical Director of Bloom IVF. Dr. Pai is a specialist based in Mumbai and is highly respected name in the field of gynecology and obstetrics. At a time when IVF was still in its nascency in India, Dr. Pai did his fellowship from Australia and set up the first IVF center in Mumbai in 1991. He has performed over 10,000 test tube baby procedures and also introduced many path-breaking and pioneering techniques in the field of assisted reproductive technology.
Thank you for this award. I was really, I'm very overwhelmed, and I would like to thank the minister. It's a great pleasure, sir, to be in your presence, and Kamal ji and Anisha ji and all, especially my friend, both the Diwakars are here. And so, I want to just say that IHW it has focused so much of health problems in our country. And the most important thing that this COVID and this 1 month, we have realized that the two most important securities that we need to tackle is the external security and the internal security in form of health security. So these are the two securities we must spend maximum money in the future, build our infrastructure so that we can be stronger nation. And we all will have to work on it. The next 3 years are going to be the building time for our whole country again. It's a mammoth task, and I'm sure that we all will do it together. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Pai. Our next winner is Dr. Sanjeev Navangul. He's the Managing Director and CEO of Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited. Last month, the company received approval from the Drug Controller General of India, DGCI, to conduct phase 3 clinical trials on existing ulinistatin for mild to moderate acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS patients with COVID-19. It is certainly a very encouraging development for not only India, but perhaps for all people in the world who must be praying for a lasting solution to the coronavirus. Congratulations, Dr. Sachin Navangul.
Thank you, and really appreciate you trying to recognize healthcare workers all throughout the country. I think everybody is fighting a single war, and we all need to be united in this, and we will make our contribution. I salute all the doctors who are really on the front end of everything, and really appreciate the kind of effort they're taking to save patients every day. Thank you, Minister, for being here. And ISW has become like a movement, since the time I've seen it. It's no longer just a event story, but it's about how much they have created a movement in healthcare. So thank you very much, Kamal and team.
Thank you, sir.
The next award goes to Arunima Patel, founder and managing director of iGenetics Diagnostics. Arunima Patel is a young, dynamic, and entrepreneur featured in Forbes India's 2018 W Power Trailblazers. Founded in 2013, iGenetics Diagnostic is one of the companies that developed the RT-PCR test kits with 100% concordance. iGenetics uses molecular diagnostic testing to help identify biological markers in the person's DNA that can help doctors identify the cause of the infection in patients with septicemia in less than 4 hours. Congratulations, Ms. Patel. We are very happy to award Professor M.V. Padma Srivastava, the head of Neurosciences, the Center at All India Medical Sciences, New Delhi, for her contributions in the healthcare sector. Her primary areas of interest include stroke, vascular dementia, and multiple sclerosis. She actively participates in epilepsy program in AIMS and initiated the hyperacute reperfusion strategies, including thrombolysis program for acute ischemic stroke, rechristened Code Red. Congratulations, Professor Srivastava. The next award goes to Dr. Sundeep Gupta, Director, Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer and Professor of Medical Oncology, Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. Dr. Sundeep Gupta is Director of Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in the Cancer and Professor of Medical Oncology, the Tata Memorial Hospital. We would like to present the next award to Dr. T.S. Clare, the Chairman of PSRI Heart Institute. Padma Bhushan, Dr. Clare is the Chairman of PSRI Heart Institute, and he heads the electrophysiology program. He's an expert electrophysiologist. Dr. Clare has many firsts to his credits. He's established the first dedicated electrophysiology department in India at Escorts Hospital. He also conducted the first implant of ICT, a heart failure device and a combo device in Southeast Asia. Congratulations, Dr. Clare.
Thank you. Thank you, Kamal, Narayan, Himani, and Anisha and Nikki for a very, very well thought of gratitude week. This has never been done before actually in our country, and I must congratulate the whole team, the whole idea, the whole thinking. See, the people of India should realize this 1300 million, 130 crore, that there is a time when every mandir, every gurdwara, every church close their doors to the people. But healthcare people are only people in this difficult time where the doors were always open. So people should, I think, understand the value the healthcare workers are to any society. And out of healthcare workers, in fact, I would give number one gratitude to Safai Civics, the people who clean the floors, who clean the dirt in the hospitals and other places in the society. And number two, most important, which I think you people have not taken, is the role of nurses. The doctors come third, they don't come first. The doctor's role is third. So I would rather appreciate you that in future gratitude week of healthcare workers, these people who clean Safai Civics and nurses, they should be given prominence and they deserve our gratitude more than anybody else. Still, nonetheless, I think very good effort, and our help, whatever you want to plan in the future will always be given. Thank you very much.
This was just an effort to appreciate some of the work of the our doctors through this Guardian of Health Award, and we look forward that in future we will be able to recognize and appreciate more people who are working really hard in this line. So thank you so much, Honorable Minister. I would request if you would like to say a few words and to congratulate.
Congratulate all the awardees, because all the awardees are also very hard workers. There are many awardees are from the doctors. Doctors are many awardees are there. Therefore, this award is also very important award, and thank you very much. Congratulate all the awardees. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.